Welcome everyone to our demonstration video for our 6-pack of Blues Ringtones app. We actually have 7 ringtones in this app, and they were all inspired from the home jams that we have in our studio. We thought they'd sound really great as ringtones for your phone. So here's the first one. It's called Blues Slide. Next one's called Blues Groove. Third one's called Highway Jam. Next up, Highway 299. And my favorite, Jumpin'. Next is Psychedelic Slide. And if you have a favorite, you just press and hold the button to set it as your ringtone or your notification for your phone. So we'll just press and hold, and you could set it as a ringtone, a notification for text notifications or email notifications, or set it as your alarm. So the next one up is actually the 7th ringtone. It's called Wet Sprocket. Alright, well, we hope that you've enjoyed this little demo video of the ringtones in this app. We sure had a great fun time putting them together. If you want to check us out on the web, you can reach us at 6packcreations.com, SIXPAC creations.com. And we thank you so much. Have a great day.